This is Lake Market, a place where time doesn't quite follow the clock, where traffic moves like a tide, unpredictable but sure, and everyone somehow knows how to navigate the dance. In these narrow lanes, the scent of jasmine and marigold fills the air. Evening prayers, weddings, temples, they all begin here. Each flower sold not just for beauty, but for meaning. No one hurries here. There's a rhythm in the chaos, purpose in the small talk. It's a kind of place that only makes sense if you stop and listen. As the sky deepens, the lights flicker on, and Kolkata shifts into memory. Lake Market stays behind, but something always comes with me, not in my hands, but in my heart.